Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. Today we're going to be talking about discipline and how the market rewards you for being disciplined. Before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Do your brother a favor and mollywop that like button, okay? Hit the notification bell so you can know when I come out with new content. And without further ado, let's get into discipline. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishments. In order to get where you need to go, you need to be disciplined. Set up a routine and stick to it. There's so many things out there set up to distract you and lead you astray. You can't let anything distract you. Sometimes it could be something as simple as the television. Okay, we can easily turn that off. But sometimes we have friends that'll pull us away from what we're supposed to be doing by inviting you to a party, inviting you out, and getting you into all sorts of trouble. The main thing you need to do is stay focused and stay sticking with your goals. So if you're new to trading or investing, what should you be doing? Studying. Learning the inner workings of the market, learning the inner workings of yourself, and learning how to bridge the two together so you could take advantage of the opportunity that exists within the market. If you're a young trader, young meaning new, and you got yourself a account and you're buying and you're trading and you're selling and things like that, you need to be disciplined to whatever your trading plan is. You need to stick to the rules. Study the greats. This is why I dropped those videos, big homies, and we got more coming in the big homies. Let's look at their rules and study their rules and stick to their script. Okay? Just apply it to yourself and stick to the script. Some of the things that you can do is set yourself up with a routine. Okay? Whatever your routine is in the morning, stick to it. For instance, myself, I get up. First thing I'm doing is I take my shower and all of that stuff, deal with the refinement and all of that kind of stuff. And when I sit down in front of my computer, I'm looking at the same type of things. Any headlines that's coming out, any macro economic events that's going on, down to the micro, any earnings that might be coming out, any particular stocks that may be in play, maybe they're gapping up pre-market or whatever. I want to try to digest why they're gapping up and try to see if that fits into my trading plan, that fits into my strategy. Okay? When the market is closed, I'm doing the same type of thing. I'm taking down my levels. There's 3 levels that I look at in the stock: the low, the high, and the close price. So I make note of that. I enter my alerts into my brokerage so that I'm prepared. So if a certain key level is hit, I'm going to get an alert in case I'm not in front of my computer or whatever. I get that alert and I know it might be time to take action. Okay? When the weekend comes and Sunday comes, that's when I'm doing my due diligence. I'm looking over my charts. I'm looking at any major macro events that may be going on, trying to digest that and see how that's going to affect the market in the coming week. But this is a routine that I stick with all the time. Maybe a little difficult. We're in a society that constantly distracts us. So to have focus and to stay focused, it takes work. It's not something that's going to be easy, but you have to recognize that these are the ways that you can get to be successful in this market is by being disciplined. Be disciplined with yourself. If you're not disciplined in your personal life, as far as what you're eating, as far as your exercise routine, you know what I'm saying? As far as, just getting up and going to bed, things like that. You know what I'm saying? Try that discipline that you have at home, it can carry into everything else abroad. So try to get disciplined no matter what it is. You can do this by journaling, making rules for yourself. Write out your day. Write a to-do list. You should be writing a to-do list. When the weekend rolls around, okay, I make a to-do list so that I can utilize that downtime to maximize my digesting of information and dissecting stocks. Okay, that spills over into my regular personal life too. Sometimes I got things to do, like put up a shower curtain or something like that. I make a to-do list. You know what I'm saying? And you get a sense of accomplishment by checking off these things as they get done. Okay? And it's all right for your to-do list to spill over to the next day. That's fine, long as you have every intention of fulfilling those duties. Okay? Start there. And then that will go into your trading. Okay? Make yourself a to-do list. I need to know what, moving averages are. I need to know how to read a stock chart. I need to know how to find out when earnings come out. Okay? I need to find out what makes a good trader. I need to find out what kind of trader I am. These are all things you could write down on a list. Okay? And find your way to educate yourself and prepare yourself to that. Create a routine. Stick to your routine. Okay? There are rules to this game, and you can't win if you break the rules. So you have to learn the rules, master the rules, stick to the rules. That's discipline. Okay? If you have any other questions or comments pertaining to discipline, leave them in the comments down below. Okay? This is your brother Absolute, signing off for the Absolute Boss Collective. Let's get disciplined. Let's get this money. Peace.